Welcome to the English Chill channel.
We're so glad you're here. Get ready to relax and learn.
Hi, everyone.
Liam, you look a little tired today.
Oh, hi, Emma. Yes, I am tired.
A long day?
A long week. I feel like I'm stuck in a rut.
Stuck in a rut?
Yes, it means my life is a loop.
Exactly. A loop that feels boring.
Exactly. I am stuck in a rut. My routine is the same loop. Monday is Tuesday. Tuesday is Wednesday.
I understand that feeling completely.
Someone asked me about my daily routine,
Ah, the classic question.
and I said, I wake up, I go to work, I go to sleep. It's so boring, Emma.
I understand. But a routine is only boring if you tell it that way.
What do you mean?
A real routine is never perfect. My routine yesterday, it was a complete mess.
A mess?
Yes, it was full of small problems.
Really? Tell me about your day.
Morning. Well, my morning started badly.
Oh?
My alarm went off at 6:30.
Went off?
It means it made noise. It rang.
Okay.
But I was so tired. I hit the snooze button.
Snooze button? What is snooze?
The button you press to sleep for 10 more minutes.
Ah, yes. I know that button.
I hit it maybe 3 times.
So you overslept.
Exactly. I slept too late.
Me too. I always oversleep. So you were rushing.
Yes, rushing means moving very fast.
I am always rushing.
I was so late, I had to skip breakfast.
Skip breakfast?
It means I did not eat breakfast.
No food? No coffee?
No time. I just grabbed my bag and ran out. And it was raining.
Oh no.
A cold, hard rain. And I forgot my umbrella.
Of course. So you got wet?
Just a little, running to the car. It just made my bad mood worse.
A very bad start.
Then I got in my car, and I was stuck in traffic for 30 minutes.
Stuck in traffic? You mean not moving?
Exactly. Too many cars. My commute was terrible.
Commute?
Commute is the trip from your home to your work.
My commute is long too.
So I arrived at work late and in a bad mood and wet.
Late and wet. That is a bad morning.
Afternoon at work.
I hope your workday was better.
It was not. It was Tuesday. Tuesdays are always hectic.
Hectic?
Hectic means very, very busy. Too many things to do.
Ah, my Mondays are hectic.
As soon as I arrived, I had meetings. I had back-to-back meetings.
Back to back?
Yes, one meeting, then immediately a second meeting.
No break?
No break. My calendar was completely full, so I didn't have a real lunch break.
Oh no.
I just ate a sad, cold sandwich at my desk.
I do that sometimes. It's not a real break.
No, it's not. You eat, but you are still working.
That is very unhealthy.
I know. Then, the 3 p.m. meeting,
What happened?
it just dragged on.
Dragged on? What does that mean?
It means it continued for too long. It was slow.
Ah, why did it drag on?
One person kept talking about details, unimportant details. We were off topic.
Off topic?
Yes, not talking about the main subject.
I hate when people go off topic.
Me too. I was looking at the clock every 2 minutes. Yes, everyone was just drained.
Drained? What does that mean?
Very tired, like you have no energy left.
I feel drained after work too.
By 5 p.m., I just wanted to go home. Evening.
So, you finally finished work?
I finished work. I did my commute home.
More traffic?
Yes, the commute home is always worse. I walked into my house and I was exhausted.
Exhausted? Is that very, very tired?
Yes, more than tired. Completely drained.
I understand that feeling.
I looked at the kitchen.
And
I was too exhausted to cook.
so, no dinner?
No, I ordered takeout.
Ordered takeout?
Yes, you call a restaurant and they bring the food to you.
Aha, like ordering pizza.
Exactly. I ordered Thai food.
That sounds good.
It was good, but the delivery was late.
Of course it was.
The app said 30 minutes. I had to wait 45 minutes.
So you were hungry and exhausted.
Yes, I was starving.
Starving?
It means very hungry. It was not a relaxing evening.
Did you finally relax?
After I ate, yes. But I still had chores to do.
Chores?
Chores are the small jobs you must do at home.
You mean like washing the dishes?
Yes, washing the dishes from the night before and taking out the trash.
Taking out the trash?
Yes, taking the garbage bag outside. It was still raining.
Ugh, chores are the worst part of the day.
I agree. My back was hurting, but I did them quickly. Finally, I sat on the sofa.
And relaxed.
Yes, I wound down for an hour.
Wound down?
It means to relax after a busy day.
Ah, I need to wind down too.
I watched a show on Netflix, a comedy. I needed to laugh. Then I brushed my teeth and went to bed. And that was my day.
Wow, that is not a boring routine at all.
You think so?
Yes, it was a real day. Let me see if I remember. You overslept because you hit the snooze button.
That's right.
You had to skip breakfast and were stuck in traffic.
I was.
And you forgot your umbrella.
Yes, I was wet.
Your commute was bad. Then at work, it was hectic. You had back-to-back meetings.
That's right.
A meeting dragged on and went off topic, and you felt drained.
Very drained.
You were so exhausted that you ordered takeout, but you were starving because it was late.
I was.
And finally, you did chores. You had to take out the trash in the rain.
That's it.
That is a much better story.
See? The small problems are the story.
I can do this. My routine is not boring. Yesterday, my boss gave me a project at 4 p.m.
See? That's a mini conflict.
And my internet was slow.
Perfect. That is how you talk about your routine. Thank you for watching English Chill.
If you liked this video, please subscribe and let us know in the comments.
What was your favorite new word?
See you next time.